Morning, everybody. We're back at it. It's a little after 7. I wanted to try and get this done earlier, but I've just been kind of busy. So, pretty sure we left off with the wiper switch, which I had to completely redo, which is fine. It's only going to make sure things are good. So I routed a new power wire for the center so we can send everything out. We have all the new connectors so that I can start routing power to the high, low, intermediate for the wipers themselves. And that's where I'm still running in a little bit of an issue because there's only so much that I have there that's usable and I can work with it. So it's time for diagrams again and making sure everything's right, making sure the grounds are good. I still got to pull 2 wires out of the dash. I didn't get time to on Thursday. But we'll get to that today. Let me speak, Scotty, speak. Right? I think my tongue got wrapped around my tonsils again. So we'll get that done. Then I'll move on to the next one, figure out what that one's going to be for, and start getting the interior lights hooked up and in. And I think I can do it, but I'm not sure, is run power to the fuse panel and start checking individual systems. Yeah, we're kind of hoping, I don't know as of yet, because I want to try and get this back to, like I said, as close to factory as possible. So we'll get it there slowly but surely. Just kind of making sure I got everything put aside properly. Don't mind me. Okay, so this switch is done, that one's done. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna work on wipers and interior lights, get these done. Bernsey, do we know if the order came in for bulbs yet? Or are they not here as of yet?
Not here as yet.
Damn. All right, well, we've got about another 15 minutes. Let me call and we'll find out where the order is so that I can start getting dashboard lights in, because I want to get this done today on the dashboard lights. So I'll probably need your assistance on that at some point today.
Sure.
And then I want to route the power for the cigarette lighter, get that done and taken care of, run the ground for that. And if I remember correctly, the green, I'm hoping that if I've got this right, I got to dig that out again. The cigarette lighter has a light up ring around it, which will be really cool. I'll get that working as well. If not, it's just a pretty green ring, you know. But yeah, we're getting there. Like I said, a lot of it's just referring to notes and writing everything down and just double checking everything so that we know we're right. Oh, yeah. Okay, well, sorry it's going to be kind of a short one. Didn't really get to see a whole lot being done, but yeah, we're getting there. All right, thanks, guys. I'll keep you informed. Ladies and joins, here we are. So, we're routing wires. I don't know if you guys can see up in here with this. I'm hoping. Let me see if I can get the camera in there a little bit. Ta-da-da, ta-da-da. Okay, I think, maybe, I'm not sure. Yeah, there we go. Oh, I got another bulb, I gotta get it. I didn't see that one, okay. So we're missing a single bulb. So those are in there. And I've had to make jumpers because I'm not gonna run a whole bunch of wires going absolutely crazy. So we made jumpers. So this will go to the single light bulb, this will go to the double set, this will go to the single set, this will go to the double set, and then into the main harness. Here and here. There we go. So we'll get that taken care of. Great, not a problem. So that being said, I got to find another light bulb. Or was it not there in the first place? I don't know. I'll have to double check. But, okay, well, I wanted to get you guys updated now that I'm upside down, right side up. There it is. Sweet baby Jesus. And I have 2. So apparently I didn't see 2 bulbs. So we'll get those done. I'll get those added in. That's weird. I'm gonna have to crawl back underneath again. God, this sucks. Okay, so we got our jumpers in, so that'll take care of those, but apparently I'm missing these 2, but bulbs won't be in until later. So let me at least get them in place, get them routed, and then if I've got to make more jumpers, I'll make more jumpers. That's not an issue, so that we have the least amount of wires running all over the place inside this dashboard. So, okay, we'll get you guys all set. I'll try and get more video as soon as I can, but I need to crawl back underneath the dash, and I'm not going to try and hold a camera. And, yeah, no. Okay, well, I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you, thank you.